Empty bottle has potential to make money too.
Bote bakal po kami ngayon.
Last night, Maneli negotiating with me to buy skincare for her, but I say no. But she negotiated with me that she going to do a job for me to just buy her skincare. This morning, nakita ko ang dami naming pan at kailangan na namin talaga itong ibenta para hindi na clutter sa aming garage. I think should be enough to buy skincare for her.
Scarlet of cake and sweet. Wait a second. Eat. Eat outside. Imagine nakita niya yung ano, iba.
Ayan, dami naming pan. Hindi ko alam kung gaano kadami yan. Ayun pa, marami pa sa coach.
Bote bakal po kami ngayon.
Ayan, sinalang kanyang kukunin daw niya ang napagbibilan.
Det här skulle varit jättebra till tidningarna.
Ja.
Så till med governmenten är grupp, det är jättebra.
That's why so. Salamat, natapos na kami. It's time to change ang pinagbilan na maging pera. Should be enough to buy skincare product for her.